Today I am reviewing the Skytech King 95 gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. At the heart of the King 95 is the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D processor, a true beast for gaming and multitasking. With 8 cores and 16 threads, this CPU runs at a base clock of 4.2 GHz and boosts up to a blistering 5.0 GHz when you need it most. Thanks to AMD's innovative 3D V-Cache technology, it's optimized to deliver exceptional frame rates, lower latency, and faster load times in modern AAA titles. This means you can enjoy buttery smooth performance in games like Call of Duty, Fortnite, Apex Legends, and even highly demanding RPGs such as Elden Ring or Baldur's Gate 3, all at ultra settings and crisp 4K Ultra HD resolution. Paired with this powerhouse CPU is the AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT graphics card, equipped with 16 GB of GDDR6 VRAM. This GPU is designed for gamers who want next-level graphical fidelity and smooth frame rates without compromise. Whether you're streaming your gameplay or diving into graphically intensive games, the RX 9070 XT delivers stunning visuals with ray tracing support and ultra-high frame rates that make every moment immersive. Plus, it supports multiple monitor setups and advanced display technologies for an expansive gaming experience. The King 95 doesn't just rely on raw power. It comes loaded with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5600 MHz, giving you plenty of fast memory to handle gaming, streaming, video editing, and multitasking without any lag. DDR5 ensures future-proof performance with increased bandwidth and lower power consumption, which means your system will stay responsive no matter how many apps or tabs you have open. Storage is another highlight. This PC includes a 1TB Gen4 NVMe M.2 SSD, which offers blazing fast read and write speeds up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives. This means near-instant boot times, rapid game loading, and smooth file transfers, so you spend less time waiting and more time playing. The SSD also has plenty of space to hold your game library, creative projects, and media files. Connectivity-wise, the Skytech King 95 comes with Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, ensuring stable and fast wireless internet, perfect for online gaming and streaming. You also get a variety of USB ports including USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1, plus HDMI and DisplayPort outputs for versatile display options. The PC ships with a free gaming keyboard and mouse, so you're ready to jump straight into action. From a design perspective, the King 95 is housed in a stylish black case with RGB lighting that not only looks sleek, but also keeps components cool during long gaming sessions. The system is assembled in the USA and comes with a 1-year warranty and free technical support, giving you peace of mind with your investment. In summary, the Skytech King 95 is an outstanding gaming PC that offers top-tier specs to deliver ultra-smooth, high-fidelity gameplay in 2025. Whether you're a competitive esports player, a content creator, or just someone who wants to enjoy the latest games at max settings, this rig has the power, speed, and reliability you need. With a Ryzen 7 7800X 3D CPU, Radeon RX 9070 XT GPU, 32 GB DDR5 RAM, and lightning-fast Gen4 SSD storage, it's built to handle anything you throw at it, from AAA titles to streaming and multitasking, with ease. If you're ready to upgrade your gaming experience to the next level, the Skytech King 95 gaming PC is an excellent choice that combines raw performance, modern features, and stylish design into one complete package. Don't miss out on owning one of the most powerful gaming desktops of 2025.